How I cook 20 healthy meals fast. If you're anything like me, you love a good meal that's not only tasty but also healthy. But how do you achieve this without spending hours in the kitchen? Well, I'm here to share my secret to cooking 20 healthy meals fast. Firstly, planning is key. I set aside time each week to plan my meals, ensuring variety and balance. I select recipes that include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, and I write out a detailed shopping list. Next, I hit the grocery store with my list in hand. I stick to the perimeter, where the freshest, most nutrient-dense foods are typically located. I also look for time-saving options like pre-chopped veggies, canned beans, and quick-cooked grains. Once I'm back home, I start prepping. I chop all my vegetables at once, cook my grains in bulk, and portion out my proteins. This not only saves me time during the week, but also ensures my meals are balanced and nutritious. Now, on to the cooking. I batch cook several meals at once, so I always have something healthy on hand. I also make sure to prepare a few versatile dishes that can be easily transformed into different meals throughout the week. One of my favorite time-saving strategies is using a slow cooker. I can toss in my ingredients in the morning, and by dinner time, I have a delicious, healthy meal ready to go. Plus, many slow cooker recipes make large portions, providing leftovers for additional meals. When I'm not using my slow cooker, I love one-pan meals. They're quick, easy, and require minimal cleanup. Just toss your protein, veggies, and a healthy carb like sweet potatoes or quinoa on a sheet pan, season to taste, and pop it in the oven. I also rely heavily on quick-cooked proteins. Think canned beans, lentils, and chickpeas, or quick cooking options like shrimp and fish. These can be added to salads, stir-fries, or grain bowls for a quick and healthy meal. Another time saver is making meals that taste great cold. Things like pasta salads, grain bowls, and veggie wraps can be prepared in advance and enjoyed straight from the fridge, no reheating required. Finally, I always make sure to have healthy snacks on hand. Things like raw nuts, fresh fruit, and Greek yogurt can be easily grabbed when hunger strikes, preventing me from reaching for less healthy options. So there you have it, my secret to cooking 20 healthy meals fast. Remember, it's all about planning, prepping, and choosing recipes that are quick, easy, and versatile. Happy cooking! Like and subscribe for more videos. Remember to share this video on WhatsApp and other social media platforms.